For much of American history, fraternal organizations were central to community life, and they kept records that survive today in places researchers rarely look. Masonic lodges, the Elks, Knights of Columbus, Odd Fellows, and dozens of ethnic and mutual benefit societies maintained membership rolls, dues ledgers, and minute books recording who joined, who moved away, and who died. Many of these societies also functioned as insurance organizations, which means they recorded beneficiaries. And a beneficiary designation is a documented family relationship with a name attached. Many kept burial funds and maintained their own cemetery sections, which ties a family to a specific plot. Where a lodge has closed, its records typically went to a state grand lodge, a historical society, or a university archive rather than being destroyed. Membership was also often noted in obituaries, which is how you learn the person belonged in the first place. Our research team pursues these institutional records for family and estate work. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.